Java Standard Edition or core Java. Observe this point, Naomi. Java Standard Edition or core Java is enough. Sufficient for automated testing. With Selenium. Advanced Java is not required for us. No server-side programming is required. No mobile edition required. And one more thing, in this standard edition also, two types of concepts are there. Teddy John, in any software language, in any programming language, you take any programming language, they may have two types of features. First one is functionality development. Forget about our functional testing. Functional testing is different. Functionality development means application functionality development. For example, login functionality. Next, balance inquiry functionality, fund transfer functionality, etc. Functionalities. Functionality development. Next, UI development. User interface development, Teddy John. User interface development. Suppose login functionality is there. In that, username 8 box, password 8 box, sign in button are there. After entering valid username and password, it has to submit and provide user login page. That is functionality. Username 8 box, password 8 box, sign in button. These are user design, UI development. Getting the point?
Yes, sir.
UI development simple. Functionality development only big task. See, most of the time, developers may use programming language for functionality developments. For UI development, Java, Swing is there. Java Swing. Previous Java AWT is there. Swing is there. Java Swing. But it is not required for our automated testing, Teddy John. Why? We are not going to develop any software objects. We are not going to develop UI na.
Correct.
We are going to develop functionality, functional features for writing test cases. Now concentrate, all of you focus. Naomi, are you there? Naomi. Why Naomi is not responding?
Yes,
Okay.
yes, please.
Focus this one, Naomi. First, Java environment setup, Teddy John. Java environment setup. First, you need to focus on Java environment setup. It is not Java feature. It is prerequisite for writing and executing our Java programs. Getting the point? Why Java environment? Why Java environment, Teddy John?
To have all the
To write and
dependencies.
execute Java programs, then environment is required.
Okay.
To write and execute Java programs, environment required, editor required, compiler required. Getting? To write and execute Java programs, then Java environment is required, Natya. Editor required for writing programs, compiler required for compiling the program. Getting?
Yes, sir.
For example, observe one small thing. VB script is there, na Natya? We use VB script in EFT tool. VB script is there, na? For writing and executing VB script programs on Windows, no environment required. Why? VB script engine is built in with Windows. VB script from same vendor, Microsoft. So no environment setup is required, Teddy John. If you want to write VB script code on Windows, it is very simple. Observe, launch editor, notepad is there, it is default editor. Here write VB script code, suppose dim a comma b, dim a comma b, a equals to 100, VB script is not case sensitive, b equals to 100, MSG box, a plus b. This is a small VB script code. Save. Generally, notepad extension is txt, but save as VBS file. Suppose sample.vbs. Sample.vbs. Save. Save. Observe Teddy John. Yes for script. VBS file created now. Teddy John.
That's right.
Click
Yes.
this one. It is executing. It is providing output na 300. A 100, B 200. It is providing A plus B 300 na.
Correct.
Okay. For writing and executing VB script programs, no environment setup is required in Windows environment. Why? VB script engine is built in with Microsoft Windows. But for Java, environment is required. Editor required. Next, compiler required. So Java environment. Or you can say install Java. Next, focus on Java syntax. Java syntax. Getting this point? Natya, Java syntax. Syntax is system grammar. For any language, human language also grammar important na?
Yes, sir.
See, here syntax means system grammar. Okay. Java syntax. Java keywords. Java keywords. Next, Java identifiers. It is only roadmap, Teddy John. Don't focus more. Then, later we will discuss each and every concept in detailed manner. That getting?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Just identify the roadmap. Brief. In future classes, we will discuss each and every concept in detailed manner. Say Java keywords, Java identifiers, and Java syntax we need to discuss. Now here I will provide one small concept about Java. Observe Natya. Java statements or steps or instructions. Java statements. Suppose set of statements. Set of statements is called program. Set of statements is called program. Java statements can be developed using 4 items. What are the 4 items? Observe this point. Java statements are steps or instructions. All are synonyms. Instructions can be developed using 4 concepts. 4 concepts. First one, Java keywords. Java keywords. Next, Java identifiers. Java identifiers. Next, Java keywords, Java identifiers. Next, data. Next, special characters. Special characters. These 4 Observe Reddy Jan. Don't focus on this one. Now I am writing one small Java statement. Int val equals to 100. Int val equals to 100. Here int is data type. It is keyword, Java keyword. Val is variable name, user defined. It is identifier, identifying the variable. Next 100 is data. Next semicolon, that is syntax, special character. Next equals to, it is assignment operator, but special character. Getting? You take any Java statement, not only Java statement, any programming statement, Python, Perl, Ruby, Rex, any language. These 4 concepts only used. But keywords may vary from one language to another. Getting the point? Right query, Reddy Jan?
Thank you so much. It was so hard for me to understand that one fundamental concept. Thank you.
Welcome. String, for example, observe. String name equals to, string name equals to John. Here we use double quotes for text. Double quotes for text. Semicolon. Now observe. Name is identifier. Name is identifier. You can use any meaningful name. You can use any meaningful name. Suppose XYZ also correct. But try to use meaningful. Say correct, writing correct statements is not only the criteria. Readability also important. Okay, John, it is data. Okay, maybe text or number or something. It is data. John is data. Semicolon is special character. Equals to is operator, assignment operator, special character. String is not Java keyword. It is Java identifier. Means user defined, predefined identifier, this Java. Observe this point, Natya. String is predefined identifier. In future classes, you can get more clarity. String is not Java keyword. Predefined identifier. XYZ. Natya, XYZ.
Variable.
Variable name. It is user defined identifier. Getting?
Yes, sir. Is user defined. String is a predefined. It's a system.
Yes. Suppose val is there. It is variable name, but it is for identifying the variable, na? Identifying the variable. So identifier. Now tell me, Naomi, Java statements or any programming statements can be developed using 4 concepts. What are they, Naomi? General point. Naomi, not responding. Meghana.
Java keywords,
Continue.
Java identifiers, data,
That's it.
data, special characters.
Good. Next. This is about Java environment setup. Reddy Jan.
Sir, we use method and a lot of things, right? So that one belongs to which one, sir? The constructor.
It is not time to discuss that one. It is a brief introduction about. If it is a brief introduction about the roadmap, it is summary. See, in the first chapter,
Sir, why I'm asking means you said the Java statement can be developed using only 4 concepts.
Only 4,
right?
yes. Method. You want method. What is that method? Tell me the method name. See, in Java, we have 2 types of methods. Built-in
User
methods.
defined.
user defined methods. Built-in methods, user defined methods. Suppose main method is there. Main method is built-in method. It is predefined identifier. It is only identifier. It is not keyword.
Or identifier.
It is predefined identifier.
Oh.
Predefined identifier. Suppose if you create one method, login. Login is your method. It is user defined identifier.
Okay.
Any problem?
No, sir. I want to know the identifier. Everything is belongs to only
Yes.
the four concepts, right?
Yes, everything belongs to this. You can restrict all statements within these four concepts only.
Abstract, again, encapsulation,
Yes,
polymerization, everything.
anything, everything. Yeah, you in future classes you can get clarity. You can identify. Say tomorrow onwards we will write Java programs now. Then you try to identify some word is not belongs to these four. Then I will answer it.
Okay, sir.
Everything belongs to these four only. Main method. Methods are identifiers. If it is predefined, if it is main method, predefined identifier. If it is user defined method, that is user defined identifier only. Okay? Any problem, Natya?
No, sir. Good.
Naomi. Reddy John, can you move to next topic?
Yes, sir. I'm good.
Java keywords identifiers for writing this one. Next, here you need to focus one more also, Teddy John. Java syntax, and Java program structure. Java program structure. Says program structure required na. See first documentation section, next package declaration, next import statements, next class definition, next main method. Within main method we write our program. Like structure required na. Next, suppose observe Natya, writing comments. See, writing comments is not mandatory for programming, but it is best practice. See, in computer programming, two important things, Natya. One is rule, another is standard. Rule and standards. Rules we must follow. Standards, if you follow standards, then you will have better readability of your program. Writing comments. Rules. Suppose in Java, one of the rule is every Java statement should end with semicolon. Suppose if you don't write this one, then syntax error na.
Yes, sir.
That is rule. Rule you must follow. But standards, best practice. Writing comments, Meghana. Already I told, writing comments is optional task in computer programming. Why I am explaining writing comments first? Say no restrictions, no limitations for writing comments in computer programming. You can write first line, very first line as comment, middle line as comment, or end of the line as comment. No restrictions and no limitations for writing comments. That's why I'm writing. Okay, na? Reddy John.
Yes, that's correct.
Next, instead of this one, I will provide one subheading also for this one. Subheading. After Java environment setup, Java syntax, etc., I will provide one subheading. Here, total program you can segregate into 5 parts. For example, first part, Java programming environment. Java programming environment. See,
Sir, can I ask a question?
just a minute.
Query?
Just a minute. Java Standard Edition. Java Standard Edition or Core Java. In this first section, Java environment. Second one, Java language fundamentals. Now you ask question, Reddy Jan.
This was regarding these notes. Do you recommend us to take notes, or will you be
No,
sending
you
the
don't
notes
need. See, unfortunately, in the last class, yesterday's notes corrupted, not saved. But you no need to write our class notes. You just listen my explanation and ask questions and answer to my questions. That is enough. You focus on the theory as well as practical concepts. You no need to write notes. I will send the class notes for each class after the class along with recorded session. Getting?
Yes, thank you. Because I got the notes from first class. I did not get the
second class notes
So,
corrupted, not saved, I think. Anyhow, if I find any leisure time, I will prepare that notes and also I will send that notes also. But today onwards, I will send the class notes as well as recorded session after the class. Getting?
thank you, Mr. Reddy.
Writing comments. Next come Java data types. Next Java modifiers. Modifiers means public, private, security levels. Data types. What is the purpose of data types in computer programming, Meghana? What is the purpose of data types? Okay. What is the purpose of data types, Natya Selva?
Store and retrieve the data.
Storing is not the responsibility of data types. Storing is the responsibility of variables. See, to handle different types of data. See, data types for handling different types of data in computer programming. Storing is different. Next, Java variables. Variables for storing or holding the data. Next, data types and variables combined. Actually combined concepts, Teddy John. Why? Data require data type variables for storing. Getting? Is that combined? Next.
So that means the data type defines the type of data.
Yes.
And where the data is stored, that is in.
No. Where data stored is not responsibility of the data type. Data type only defines the type of data.
And then it is stored in the variables, right?
That's why combined. Observe here. For example, int num equals to 100. Int num equals to 100. It is one Java statement. Here int is data type, num is variable name. Combined na? Here int for defining the data, num for storing the data. This is storage address. Any problem? Suppose boolean
Correct.
x equals to true. Boolean is data type. Boolean means logical value. X is variable name. Both are combined. Getting? But data type won't store the data. Data type is defining the type of data. Storage responsibility variables. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Next, operators. Java operators. Java operators. All of you put mute. Meghana, can you tell me programming operators? Give some examples for operators. Operators. Programming operators. Language fundamentals. Any language. Syntax may vary from one language to another, but language fundamentals are common. Language fundamentals are common.
Logical operators.
I am asking Meghana only. Continue, Meghana.
Logical operators. Arithmetic operators.
See, whenever you say about operators, first mention arithmetic operators. Why? Arithmetic operators are having high priority than other operators. Why high priority? That we will discuss later. Arithmetic operators, example, plus, minus, multiplication, means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, etc. Next, assignment operators. Next, logical operators. Before logical operators, comparison operators. Comparison operators. For example, equals to is comparison, but here this equals to is assignment. Just a minute, we will discuss later. In Java programming, Teddy John, single equals to is assignment operator. Double equals to is comparison operator. Okay. Say arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, and logical operators, etc. Okay, na Natya? You are trying to tell something, tell me.
Sir, can you give some example to modifier?
Modifiers. It is already I told. It is not the time to give examples. Already I gave public, private. Public is access modifier. Private is access modifier.
Default, yeah, okay. Sir.
Default modifiers na. And already told. It is only roadmap.
Okay, sir.
Later we will discuss each and every concept in detailed manner. Okay.
Okay.
Already I mentioned indirectly. Public, private. They are modifiers only. No problem.
No, sir.
Naomi. Why Naomi is not thinking? All the persons are responding properly. Naomi is not responding. Any problem, Naomi, in your surroundings?
And not really. I think because I dropped my daughter at the university.
Okay, cool.
I mean, I drove
Okay, cool.
far away. So yeah, I'm a little bit tired.
Cool, Naomi. Actually, it is hard time for you, I think. What is your time now?
It's 3 a.m.
3 a.m. London time now. 5.5 years back from India time. So it is hard to you, I know. Okay. After the class, you try to read our class notes as well as watch the recorded session. If you have any query, then mail me. And one more thing,
Oh,
you can
all right.
rejoin in our training programs in future also with free of cost.
Okay.
Once you register for our program, you can rejoin in our training programs whenever you want to rejoin. See, our Natya Salva also my old student. Natya, when did you join in our program? 1 year back or 2 years back?
1 year, sir.
Okay, okay. It is hard time to you, Naomi, but try to concentrate. After the class, read the class notes carefully. I will send. Next, watch the recorded session, get more clarity. If you have any queries, then mail me. I will send the
Oh, okay. Thank you.
clarifications. Okay. Next,
Thank you.
welcome. Next, Teddy John. Java operators. After Java operators, we need to discuss Java control flow. Control flow. Observe Teddy John, already I told, language elements, programming language elements are same for any language. You take C, C++, Java, Perl, Python, Ruby, Rex, any language. Programming language concepts are same. Syntax may vary from one language to another. Getting the point? Syntax may vary from one language to another. Purpose is same, na?
Yes, sir.
Purpose is same. For example, data type in Java, data type in C++, same purpose. Syntax may vary. Suppose variables in Java, variables in Perl, Python, VB script, any language, same, purpose same. What is the purpose? Storing the data. Syntax may vary from one language to another. Operators, purpose same for any language. What is the purpose? Operators are used to perform mathematical comparison and logical operations. Syntax may vary from one language to another. Okay. For example, observe Natya. In VB script, we use angle, open bracket, close bracket for not equals to symbol. Not equals to operator, we use open angle bracket and close angle bracket, diamond. For VB script, for same not equals to operator, we use exclamation equals to. Exclamation equals to in Java programming. Getting?
Yes, sir.
So syntax may vary from one language to another. Java control flow, all of you put mute except Teddy John, contribute Teddy John. Say, not only Java, Teddy John, you take any computer programming language, you will have 3 types of control flow statements. Syntax may vary, purpose same. You have 3 types of control flow statements in any programming language. What are they?
I don't know, sir.
Okay, cool. Can you tell me, Meghana, 3 types of control flow statements in computer programming, not only Java. What are they? Natya, what are they?
If condition, loop, switch cases.
Yes. See, conditional. Conditional or another name, decision making statements. Conditional or decision making statements, Teddy John. Here we have 2 conditional statements. One is if, another is, anyhow it is roadmap. Don't focus more. Switch. Else if Nested if, they are not separate statements, flavors of if. Next, loop statements. Loop statements. We have 4 loop structures in Java programming: for loop, while loop, next do while, next enhanced for loop. Enhanced for loop. Next, Naomi, branching statements. Branching statements. We have 3 branching statements in Java programming, Natya. We have 3 branching statements. What are the 3 branching statements? Natya, what are the 3 branching statements?
I don't know, sir.
Break, continue, and return. Can you remember return statement? We use return statement in user defined methods, methods with
Yes,
return a value.
Written.
Okay. Here also, anyhow, I am providing this one. Java operators. We have a rich set of operators in Java, Naomi, but our automated testing point of view, 4 categories are important. 4 categories are important. Arithmetic operators. Next, assignment operators. Next, comparison or another name, relational operators. Next, logical operators and are not. Logical operators are used to create compound conditions, etc. In variables also, Meghana, we have 3 types of variables in Java. Local variables. We use local variables in block of codes. Suppose condition blocks, loop blocks, method blocks. Next, instance variables, Natya. Instance variables. Another name also there. Instance variables. Or you can say non-static variables. Oh. Next, static variables. Or you can say class variables, class level variables. What is the difference? That we will discuss later. Class variables. Next, modifiers also we have 2 types, 2 categories. Access modifiers. Next, Natya, non-access modifiers. Natya, where are you staying now?
USA. First.
USA. What is your motherland? India only?
Tamil.
Tamil Nadu.
Okay.
Non-access modifiers. Access modifiers. Continue. Natya Selva. Public.
Private.
Next.
Default.
Just a minute. default,
Stat-
and
static
protected.
protected. Static is a non-access modifier.
Non-access modifiers. We have several non-access modifiers. Our automated
Static.
testing point of view. Final modifier. Next, static. Next, abstract, etc. Abstract is created for abstract methods. Here, abstract is keyword. Natya Salva. Keyword. Java keyword. Small letters. Java keywords are small letters. Data types. Data types. Steady John. I am elaborating the concepts. Data types. We have two categories of data types in Java. One is primitive. Primitive data types. Primitive data types. Naomi, can you tell me? Can you give me one or two examples for primitive data types? Non-primitive. Naomi not responding. Int. Natya. Int. Before int. Short.
Byte.
Sequence, byte, short, int,
Long.
These are
Double.
These are integer data types. Next, relational data types, floating point
Float.
values. Float. Next, long float is double. Next, character data types, only one data type. Next, boolean data type, logical data type, boolean. Next,
String.
just a minute. Non-primitive. Strings, objects, etc. Okay, now string is non-primitive. Okay.
So the spelling mistake in float.
Float. Yes. Okay, now. Writing comments, data types, modifiers, variables, operators, Teddy John. Okay, now.
Yes, sir.
Next, what you have to learn? Java programming environment. Java programming environment. B, Java language fundamentals. Next, C, Java object oriented. Concepts. Here, observe the terms: project, package, next, class, next, interfaces are not required for our automated testing. Next, object, next, methods, etc. Here, important one, project is simple, package, class. Daily we use classes. Interface we don't use. Objects daily we use, not daily, frequently we use. Methods. We have two types of methods. Natya, we have two types of methods. What are the two types of methods?
User defined and
First,
built-in.
Built-in methods. Next, user defined methods. User defined methods. Here built-in Steady John, we have several categories of built-in method, but our automated testing point of view, 4 categories are important. Next, first one, string methods. Next, number methods. String methods means operations on strings. Number methods, operations on numbers. Next, array methods, operations on arrays. Next, character methods, operations on characters, date and time methods, etc. Next, user defined also basically two types. Method with written a value. Next, method with returns nothing. Nathia. In methods with written a value, again two types. Nathia. Static methods that we will discuss later. Static methods, another type. Non-static methods. In this method without return, with returns nothing also, two types, static, non-static. Next, we have 4 fundamentals of OOPs. Reddy John, in any programming, 4 fundamentals of OOPs. One is Java inheritance. Next, Java polymorphism. Next, Java abstraction. Next, Java encapsulation. Okay. Any query, Nathia?
No, sir.
Next, D category. Reddy John, D category. Java specialized concepts. Here, 14. Java IO. What is IO, Reddy John? IO is common concept. What is
Input,
IO?
output.
Input and output. Here, read. Just a minute. Read user input and display. Display means output. Display the output on the console, result console. Next, file handling also comes under Java IO. Before Java IO, okay, just a minute. Here, Java control flow. Here we need to discuss string handling. Next, Java data structures. Can you give one or two examples for data structures, Meghana? Data structures, common concept. You can find data structures in C, C++, Python also. What are the data structures? Give one or two examples. Just a minute. This is okay. File handling. Next. Tell me, Meghana, Java data structures. Suppose array is there now. Array is data structure. Array list is there now. Array list is data structure. Do you have any idea about Python language, Natya? Python?
No, sir.
Okay, in Python we have rich set of data structures. Java also. Python, sets, lists, arrays, tuples, etc. Okay.
So hash map is a data structure.
Pardon?
Hash map.
Data structure. Next,
Okay.
11th. Just a minute. 9, 10, 11. Only one I added. 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. 12, 13, 14, 15. Next. Observe Reddy 16. Java IO. Next. Java exception handling. Java exception handling, Reddy. It is for handling runtime errors in Java programs. Okay. Next, Java database connectivity. Etc. See, I think I mentioned maximum. See, 4 categories, 18 concepts I mentioned. Reddy, observe. First one, Java programming environment. First one, Java programming. In this Java module, submodule, Java programming environment. Next, Java language fundamentals. Next, Java object-oriented programming concepts. Next, Java specialized concepts. This is our agenda.